Hello everyone! Let's now have our Google Classroom tutorial for students part 2. So, bakit tayo nagkakaroon ng part 2 sa ating Google Classroom tutorial for students? Ito ay dahil gusto natin italakay din ang paggamit ng smartphone ng mga estudyante and even mga estudyante kasi students tayo ngayon. Students ang ating tutorial. So, ito ang objectives sa tutorial na ito. May tatlong objectives. Una, how to log into Google Classroom using smartphone and tablets. Second, where to find classes and assignments in Google Classroom in your smartphone. Then, third is how to submit different types of assignments in Google Classroom. Of course, you have to install these Google Docs to do so using your Android phone. So, since we are talking about smartphone and tablets, so we have to install Google Classroom in our smartphone or in our Android phone. So just go to Play Store, search Google Classroom. Again, go to Play Store of your Android phone. Then search Google Classroom. At lalabas itong icon na ito, may pangalang Google Classroom. You click install. And you just wait for it to be installed in your cell phone, in your mobile phone. And after it is installed, let us now open it. So how to open? You just sign in using the Gmail account that you have created in our part 1 tutorial. Okay, so let's open it. Okay, so in your smartphone, you click lang the icon of your Google Classroom. At after you click the icon of the Google Classroom, ito ang mag-prompt sa screen ninyo. So you have to log in using your student account, Gmail account. So it ends with @gmail.com. So ito yung account na na-create mo sa tutorial natin sa part 1. Okay, click mo lang. Okay, regarding the password, para hindi ninyo makalimutan, i-text ninyo sa inyong sariling phone or i-chat ninyo sa inyong sariling messenger account. So, hindi lang natin yan i-save. Pero kung kayo lang ang may-ari sa inyong mobile phone, wala nang ibang gagamit niyan, of course, you save it para hindi na kayo mag-sign in every time you are going to enter your Google Classroom. So, after you signed in successfully, ito yung mag-pop up sa screen ninyo. You click lang your class where you are enrolled. So, take note in the stream tab, nandito lahat ng announcement ni teacher. So, i-browse nyo lang yan. So, sa part 1 tutorial natin, tinalakay natin ito. So, you just review our part 1 tutorial. Then, sa classwork tab, nandito lahat ng mga activities na dapat nating gawin. So, makikita ninyo itong mga brightly colored na mga icon dito. Ito yung palatandaan na hindi mo pa nagawa itong mga gawain dito. Kasi kapag nagawa mo na yan, ito na ang mag-appear sa kanyang icon. Parang hindi na siya klaro. Okay, nakikita ninyo meron pang view more. So, para magkakaroon tayo ng view sa lahat ng mga gawain, punta lang tayo dito sa to do. And nakikita natin lahat ng gawain na dapat nating gawin. Kasi kapag tapos na tayo, mag-appear siya dito sa tab na done. Okay? So, ang gawin lang natin, so ito ang view sa smartphone ninyo ha. Don't you worry. Ito ang view ninyo sa smartphone. Okay? So, sakali in your smartphone, mag-answer tayo nito. Again, click on the title of the assignment, scientific investigation. So, attach a picture of yourself doing investigation. So, this is very easy using your smartphone. Mag-selfie lang kayo doing your investigation. Then, pagkatapos is, you click lang add or create. Then, select the file, upload, browse from your gallery, mobile phone's gallery. And pagkatapos ma-upload, is mag-appear na siya dito, you click lang mark as done. Do not forget to click mark as done because that means you are submitting your output to your teacher. Pagkatapos na niyan, punta tayo sa next activity. So, meron tayo dito, hypothesis. Click lang ang title. Select atong delete muna natin to. Okay. So, sa inyong smartphone, makikita rin ninyo ito. Pwede rin ninyo itong sagutan using your smartphone. You can answer this using your smartphone. Okay. You can also submit it, but the bad thing is, hindi ma-view ni teacher yung nasubmit ninyo kasi automatic siya mag-convert to PDF and hindi na siya ma-edit. Hindi na siya mabigyan ng points ni teacher. So, ang mangyari ay wala kayong grado. So, ano ang dapat ninyong gawin? So, ito ang dapat ninyong gawin. Punta ulit tayo sa Play Store. Sa Play Store, hanapin ninyo Google Docs. Google Docs. And, makikita ninyo itong icon na ito. You just click install. You just click install. And wait for it to be installed in your mobile phone. Okay, this time na-install na sa inyong mobile phone ang Google Docs na app. So, you click lang add or create. Okay, you select create new and select Docs. Nakita man ninyo itong format ni teacher, di ba? Okay, so ang gawin lang ninyo is ulitin ninyo ang format na ginawa ni teacher. So this time using your Google Docs app na installed in your mobile phone. So, of course, may name siya sa pinakataas. Okay. Then, the question, what is hypothesis? Kung gusto ninyo, i-bold yung pagkasulat ng mga, okay, what is a hypothesis? You just click as highlight, then select this bold. If you want to have an alignment which is center, you just select here. Okay, and we have also right alignment, left alignment, then we have the justify alignment. Okay, then you just answer. Okay, it is okay, blah blah blah. Then after that, if you are done, you just close it and then just turn in. You click turn in or hand in to your teacher. Now you are asking, hindi natin na-save. Don't you worry, in Google Docs, auto-save, naka-auto-save lahat ng files natin. Hindi katulad sa Microsoft Word na kailangan pa natin i-click yung save button. Dito sa Google Docs, naka-auto-save lahat ng ginagawa natin. Okay? Then do not forget to click turn in para masubmit ang work ninyo kay teacher. Balik tayo ulit sa to-do natin. Next work na gagawin natin or next assignment is itong widget. Okay? for example, ang widget na gagawin natin is ito. Lahat na ito dito is mga book widgets. So, tingnan natin. Okay, for example, itong book widgets ang ating sasagutan. So, again, you click the title, then click again on the assignment title. And automatic pupunta kayo sa mismong assignment. Okay, let's just wait. You need to be signed in to use this widget. Kailangan daw mag-sign in. Okay, so you select the widget, the account na ginamit mo sa Google Classroom. Kasi kapag hindi, ma-encounter ninyo yung error. For example, itong account ang gagamitin natin. Tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari. Hindi itong account ang ginamit natin sa Google Classroom natin. Tingnan ninyo ang mangyayari. So, yan ang mangyayari kung ang account na ginamit ninyo ay hindi yung account na ginamit ninyo sa pag-sign in sa Google Classroom. So, dapat ang inyong gamitin na account is yung account na naka-register sa Google Classroom kasi nakalink itong book widgets sa Google Classroom. Okay. Click natin yan. Kapag tama is ito ang mangyayari. So, mapupunta tayo sa ating assignment na pinapagawa ni teacher. So, for example, dito, arrange the steps of the scientific method by filling in the rectangle. So, tayo mismo ang mag-fill in. Okay? So, let us try to answer this. This is just a sample. Okay, for example, yan lang ang answer ko as a student. After you answered, you just click submit. Okay, then click send. So, para ma-send yan doon kay teacher. And wait for it. Just be patient. And automatic makikita ninyo yung score ninyo. Okay. So, nakikita ninyo dito sa second step, forming a hypothesis. So, masasabi nyo, pwede naman yan. Yes. Ma-override ito ni teacher. I-review man yan ni teacher. Pag nakita ni teacher na pwede man yang i-consider, i-check lang niya yan. Okay? So, don't you worry. So, automatic siyang magkakaroon ng score pagkatapos mo mag-answer. At ito ay recorded din na kay teacher. At pwede itong ma-addan, depende kay teacher, na i-override niya ito, i-consider niya ito. Okay? So, yan ang book widgets. So, kailangan yung account na gamitin mo sa pag-sign in dito is yung account na ginamit mo kay Google Classroom. Hindi na kailangan kayong mag-create ng account ni book widget as a student. Kasi yung mga estudyante is free na makagamit ni book widgets. Hindi na kailangan ng mag-create pa ng account. Okay? So, itong iba ditong mga gawain. See? Makikita ninyo, nasubmit na yun, di ba? Ang makikita ninyo pagbalik dito is ito ng unsubmit. So, do not click unsubmit kasi kapag i-click ninyo itong unsubmit, mawala yung nasubmit nyo na. So, iba itong book widget sa mga Google Forms na ginawa natin sa part 1 tutorial at sa katong tutorial na to kaniha. Okay, so ang book widgets is different. Alright, so I hope you learned another thing sa ating tutorial ngayon, session na ito. And congratulations, you are on your way. You are good to go to your online class now.